Hi students, welcome to our Educational Quiz Mania channel. Students, in this video, today we are going to solve first semester exam based on summative evaluation standard 6 subject general science. So let's get started. हा पेपर 40 गुणांसाठी असून हा पेपर तुमच्या सरावासाठी तयार करण्यात आला आहे, ज्याचा तुम्हाला नक्कीच फायदा होईल. Question number 1. A. Fill in the blanks. This question has 3 marks. 1. Humans require dash to dash years for this growth. Answer is 18 to 21. 2. Dash threads were invented at the same time in New York and London. Answer is nylon. 3. When water vapor cools, it is converted into water again. This process is called dash. Answer is condensation. B. True or false? This question has 2 marks. 1. Amphibians can live in air and in water. Answer is false. 2. The water in a lake is called groundwater. The answer is false. C. What first aid will you provide in following situation? This question has 2 marks. Sunstroke. Answer. Take the patient to a cool place or in the shade. Sponge the whole body with cold water. Place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Give plenty of water or liquids like sharbat to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone, that is, on his abdomen with the head turned to one side. Question number 2. A. Name the following. This question has 3 marks. 1. Harmful gases. Nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide. 2. Metals. Answers. Gold, silver, iron, copper. 3. Flowering plants. Answer is mango, hibiscus. B. What are the emergency contact numbers of the following? This question has 2 marks. 1. Ambulance. The contact number is 102. 2. Fire brigade. The contact number is 101. C. Write the uses of these animals and plants. Any two. This question has 2 marks. 1. Turmeric. Answer. Turmeric is regularly used in daily cooking. It has many medicinal properties. Turmeric is effective in wound healing as it has antiseptic properties. It is used in cosmetics. To dogs. Answer. Dog is a loyal and faithful animal and considered as the best friend of man. Dog guards the house and properties of his owner. Sniper dogs are trained to track narcotics and explosives. 3. Baboon. Answer. The leaves and legumes of the babul tree are used as cattle feed. The delicate twigs of this tree are used for cleaning teeth due to thorny nature. The branches of babul are used for making compounds and enclosures. Question number 3. A. Odd one out. This question has 2 marks. 1. Deer, fish, man, worms. Answer is fish. 2. Lungs, brain, kidney, skin. Answer is brain. B. What is different? Any two. This question has 4 marks. 1. Vertebrates, invertebrates. Answer. 1. Vertebrates have a vertebral column in their body. Invertebrates do not have a vertebral column in their body. 2. Vertebrates have well-formed organs. 2. Invertebrates do not have well-formed organs. 3. Vertebrates are evolved animals. Example: fish, snake, birds, frog, man. 3. Invertebrates are primitive animals. Example: amoeba, snail, insects, earthworm. 2. A tree, a shrub. Answer: 1. A tree grows tall. A shrub does not grow tall. 2. A tree is large in size. A shrub is small in size. 3. Trees are perennial. Shrubs are annual or biennial. 4. Trees give out branches at some height. Example: mango, jackfruit, neem. Shrubs give out branches very close to the ground level. Example: oleander, lantern. 3. Plants, animals. Answer: 1. Plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, hence they are called autotrophs. Animals cannot prepare their own food, they obtain food from plants or other animals, hence they are called heterotrophs. 2. Plants show some movements but they cannot change their place on their own. Animals show various movements and change their place on their own will. 3. Plants have chlorophyll and they can perform photosynthesis. 3. Animals do not have chlorophyll, thus they cannot perform photosynthesis. Question number 3. C. Who am I? This question has 2 marks. 1. I make things hot or cold. Answer is heat. 2. I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Answer is salt. Question number 4a. Write the causes of the following any two. This question has 3 marks. 1. Landslides. Answer: the vibrations in the earth's crust result in an earthquake. These vibrations can cause collapse of building. If inferior material is used in the construction, then too there is a chance of collapse of buildings. Due to excessive rains or cloud bursting, landslides can take place. 2. Earthquakes. Answer: in the interior of Earth, there is tremendous amount of energy. This energy results in seismic waves. It causes movement of the Earth's surface in the form of tremors, shaking and cracking. The vibration caused due to all these movements results in an earthquake. 3. Floods. Answer: when there is excessive rains in the same place in a short span of time, then a river may overflow its banks. In cities, water drainage system falls short. The gutters or drainage lines are choked. This results in overflow of water on the roads and surrounding areas. It may also enter the houses. Floods are caused in this way. Question number 4b. Draw figures and name it any two. This question has 4 marks. 1. The structure of a plant. Look at the picture, draw neat carefully. 2. Thermometer. 3. Layers of plant. Look at this picture, draw neatly and carefully. Question number 5a. Right answer to the following any 3. This question has 6 marks. 1. What is sublimation? Answer: the change of a solid substance directly into a gas or vapor without first changing into a liquid is called sublimation. The substances that show sublimation are camphor, naphthalene balls, iodine crystals, Navsagar. 2. Write down the effects of the storm. Answer. The effects of the storm are as follows. 1. Great damage in the storm affected Regain. 2. Tremendous losses to life and property. 3. Disruption of electric supply. 4. Disruption of transport and communication. 3. What are the similarities between plants and animals? Answer. Plants and animals are both living things. Most of the characteristics of living things are seen in both of them. Growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, and reproduction are the common characteristics in both of them. Plant body is also made up of cells just like that of the animal body. Thus, both have cellular structure. Animals and plants both need water and nutrients for survival. Fourth, why did the need for man-made materials arise? Answer. Man continuously strives for new and newer things. He always wants to make his life more comfortable. Therefore, from the natural substances, he tried to make different usable artificial substances. The production of low cost and plentiful materials satisfy man's need. 5. Write uses of changes in physical state. 1. Candles are made by melting paraffin wax. 2. Solid carbon dioxide is used to make ice cream and to keep it frozen. 3. Liquid nitrogen is used in animal husbandry. 4. Sand is melted to make glass. 5. Metals like gold and silver are melted to make ornaments. 6. Iron is melted to make tools. Question number 5. B. Write the properties of these substances. This question has 2 marks. 1. Sugar. Answer. Sugar is a solid and particular matter. Sugar is soluble in water. After dissolving in water, it forms sugar solution. 2. Glass. Answer. Glass is a solid substance. Silica or sand is melted to make glass. Brightness is the characteristic feature of glass. If there is pressure on glass, it turns into fine particles. Question number 5. C. Give scientific reason. Any 2. This question has 3 marks. 1. Water is life. Answer. Living organisms cannot survive without water. The blood of the animals and the plants also have high proportion of water. Therefore, water is said to be life. 2. Humus is a natural material. Answer. There are soil microbes that bring about decomposition process in the soil. From the dead and decaying remains of animals and plants, humus is formed by them. This is a natural process and therefore humus is called natural material. 3. We must use cotton clothes in summer. Answer. Cotton clothes are made from natural fibers. The sweat is absorbed in these fibers. The skin remains dry and the chance of catching skin infection is less. By using clothes made from synthetic fibers, we may feel uncomfortable. Therefore, we must use cotton clothes in summer. Thank you.